also take into my little life stories, little experience into account. You're all my brothers. You're all my brothers. I can call you sisters, right? So I just have few things to share. I really want you all to be very happy in life. This is 2019. Let's all have a fantastic 2019. Let it be the bestest year yet. வணக்கண்ணா சொல்லிட்டேண்ணா இங்கே தான் இருக்கேன். வணக்கண்ணா. So just 2-3 things quickly I will brush up whatever I have experienced personally. நான் சத்தியமா சரவணனா இருந்த நான் பிகாம் முடிக்கும் போது 95ல சரவணனா இருந்த நான் சூர்யாவா இப்படி ஆவேன், I can be this, I can become this அப்படிங்கிறது not even 1% I thought I'll be an actor. Just 1 week before I never thought I'll be an actor and life changed. So believe in life. Believe life has lot of surprises for everyone. Each and everyone. Nobody can predict life. Anything can happen in life. Cherish life. Enjoy life. Anything can happen. What you want will not happen. What you need will definitely happen. Okay?